Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I've got a 2014 Captiva 5, little 2.4 petrol, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive, it's an LE9 code engine. As you can see here, it's got a little whack in the side there. Get a quick walk around. Got a bonnet and front bar and that. Looks like those two doors are cactus. Tailgate, tail lights, set of wheels. Airbags haven't gone off. Got two doors down the side there. Got a compliance plate in here. Depending which one you look at. Down here we're at December 13. Up here we're at second 14. KL3D. Fairly tidy and clean in there. Pop the bonnet. Right, let's go and pop the bonnet for you. Where are we? It's under here somewhere. Okay, get that up and we'll start it up. Get the mileage. Always the fun part. Oh, there we go. Found it just in nick of time. 2.4 Ecotech LE9. I'll squeeze myself in here. Oh, the cloth trim. Nice and cosy. Right, start her up. What have we got there? 63757 kilometres. There we go, blast off. Not sure what that is. The radio. Not doing anything. Anyway, I'll concentrate on that, we'll concentrate on this. So there it is, got sunroof up the top there too. Up and down and backwards and forwards. The idle hop. Get an A for it. Squeeze myself back out the door. Oh. Well, there it is. On Captiva for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. So if you need any Captiva parts or any other car parts for that matter, give the guys at Parts Plus a call on that number on the wall, 0246461 and that'd be great to help you out. Okay, shut it down. Thanks for watching and bye for now.